Alright, we're back to box number 4 of the case. This goes to BMW 01K. Good luck.
Just too good. Bottom 5, Angels down 5-1 runners at the corners and 2 outs. Sabathia gives Bobby Abreu to fly out. And Sabathia out of a jam. Bottom 6 now. Runners on first and second, nobody. Juan Rivera at the plate. And this was one of the big defensive moments for the Yankees. Derek Jeter tagged second for the first for a double play. See the bag of Posada thought it was a third out. Starts walking off the field. Sabathia's like, dude, I'm not that good.
Alright, we got Vlad Guerrero, 1350. Scott Kazmir, 1350. Cy Young to 1350. Then Delgado to 525. Adrian Gonzalez to 240. And the hit. Another Red Sox. Dustin Pedroia, jersey, bat, jersey, 14 of 27.
He says, dude, 8, you need 8? I got 8. No problem. Top 8, though, Johnny Damon up with a runner on. And 1 gone.
Pedroia.
2-run shot for Damon, and the Yankees extend the lead.
Alright. Looking for a sick auto here. Here we go.
Bottom 8, Sabathia facing Abreu now with 1 out. And still going strong. Gets it going 2 away. Next batter is Torrey Hunter. And I think you get the picture. Sabathia will score once again. 8 innings, 5 hits, just 1 earned run.
Zambrano, 1350. This one also has 2 cards on the front. An A-Rod to 525. Pujols to 525. A Liriano, 99 of 99. And the hit is a triple. That's patch jersey. 5 out of 75 autograph of Chad Billingsley, rising star.
Being patient and just when you get your pitch, you're not missing it. In other postseasons, I failed and sometimes felt miserable, and it certainly feels good to come through for my team and help the team win.
He's a great player. I think that's plain and simple.
So there you go. That is box number 4 for BMW. Peace. Alright, you two, this box 5 of the 9-box case. Here we go. Good luck, sir. That one didn't have to cut it, just popped right off. Because this bottom pack is like busting out of itself. Maybe it's got something nasty in it. So do that one second.
All right, more on Alex. From 1928 to 1932, Lou Gehrig, the Iron Horse, drove in a run in 8 consecutive postseason games. Held that record by himself until Monday when Ryan Howard tied them all. Now, both have company, as Tuesday, A-Rod became the 3rd player in history to have an RBI in 8 straight games. With more on Rodriguez, who is actually single.
Alright, here we go. Francisco Liriano, 1350. Ty Cobb, oops. That one looks thick. I think there's a patch in this one. Jackie Robinson, 525. Vlad Guerrero, 525. Nate McLeod, 240. A Ty Cobb, 1350. And the hit, sick. 7 out of 9. Those are nasty patches, dude. Man, they almost look fake. I know you guys saw one of these online and said it looked fake. This is the All-Star Game uniform. Triple patch of Joe Nathan, 7 out of 9. It does look fake, even in person.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, one day it should be enough. There you go. A.J. Burnett will take on John Lackey. Burnett has had electric stuff this postseason, holding batters to a 140 average, but he's also been wild, 7 walks. Lackey, 1-1, ERA of 1.3.
One source says things look promising. Another says a lot is happening behind the scenes.
They're sick.
No, we're not talking
Alright.
about the Michael Jackson tribute on Dancing with the Stars. We're talking about
Pack 2. This is the one that was, I don't know, felt fatter, thicker. Felt like it was busting out. Who knows? Should be the auto. But it just looks normal now. Sandberg, 1350. Mel Ott, 1350. And an Ernie Banks, also to 1350. We got a Hank Greenberg to 525. And a Hanley Ramirez numbered to 25, low numbered to 25. Wow. I know that you're not supposed to get 2 of these in 9 boxes, but here's another triple autograph. Roy Halladay, Brandon Webb, and Chin-Ming Wong, 29 of 36. Second triple auto in the 9-box case.
We are building a website by ourselves.
There's an easier way. Create your own business site with Intuit websites. Just choose a style, then customize, publish, and get found.
Awesome.
Get a 30-day free trial at Intuit.com.
Ready for a refreshing new twist on Bud Light?
Right on. So there you go. That's box 5. There's still 4 left. Here goes box 6 of the case. 9-box case. This one is going to Jungle Cart. Good luck, Clyde. Here we go.
NBA preseason action, Lakers and Warriors from Ontario, California. This is about an hour from Los Angeles. Lakers the home team, first quarter. Kobe Bryant, Steven Jackson trying to catch him. Nice spin move there. From an awkward angle, naughty. 14 for Kobe in the first half. Later in the quarter, the 10 to Ronnie. Ronnie Kyrgios misses the jumper. That starts the break the other way. Andrew Bynum.
Manny Ramirez to 1350. Edinson Volquez also to 1350. Then off the back, we got Reyes to 525. Lou Gehrig to 525. Roy Oswalt to 240. And the hit is sick. 15 out of 18. Autograph jersey, bat jersey in his Dodgers uniform of Manny Ramirez.
Looks focused. Al Harrington going in for the layup, and Burnett with the block from behind just takes it right from Harrington. Give me that. And KG will take a seat. Now to Paul Pierce. He'll finish in the lane.
That is
Pierce
nice.
hit 14 points. Less than a
Very
minute
nice.
left with a
All right,
hand
pack
for
2.
Allen to Rajon Rondo. And then leaves it for KG for the big finish. Burnett with 11 points, 7 rebounds. But the Knicks win it 108 to 103. Friday on ESPN, we've got an NBA preseason.
We got Roy Campanella to 1350. Miguel Cabrera, 1350. Off the back, Liriano to 525. Nick Markakis at 240. Roy Oswalt to 30. I think I already said that one. And then the hit. Wow. 36 of 36. Jersey, bat, jersey. Manny Ramirez. The Manny box.
Dodger outfielder Manny Ramirez made a great catch Monday against the Phillies. What he didn't catch was the end of that game. You see, when Jimmy Rollins hit his game-winning double, Ramirez was in the shower after being lifted as a defensive replacement.
All right. There you go. Thanks for watching. 3 boxes left.